Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about top 5 data science courses in Finland. So the first institute in our list is IIM Skills. IIM Skills is world-renowned online education platform through which you can learn various skills in data science and analytics. The course is for around 11 months with 2 months optional internship. It is internationally affiliated and also recommended to pursue a course here with IIM Skills. The course with IIM Skills will cost you around $1,500 and this is a job assistance program. The second institute in our list is MIT, that is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. They offer data science course in a self-study environment which will cost you $1,350 US. The third program is from Stanford University, which is going to cost you near to around $60,000, and they offer MSc in data science. The duration is for around 3 years. The fourth program in our list is from University of California. Again, this will cost you around $60,000. They offer data science master program, and this is again for 3 years duration. It has a complete practical knowledge in it. Last and the most important one is from University of Oxford, and this will cost you near to around $80,000. Data science program, and this program is for around 3 years again, and it's a on-campus training program, and there are prerequisites to enter in this particular training. So in case you're interested to participate and take admission at all these prestigious institutions, to save your time, I have given a link in the description box. I recommend that you go ahead and check about these institutions there directly. Just inquire about the course, download the curriculum, check what they're offering in this year, program structure, speak with their academic admission counselors. And if you need any kind of a help, you can feel free to comment to this particular video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and for any kind of a help you can feel free to comment. I will personally reply you. I hope you enjoyed watching this session, and take care.